really, I hate myself. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is 10 hours after the last video. I just got back from the party and I decided to unbox it right now. Okay, because I cannot wait. I'm gonna unbox Yasmin and Chloe. Now it's already time check, it's 5:27 AM. The last video I did was 10 hours ago, like literally 10 hours ago. Sorry if I'm looking a mess, but I'm already here, so might as well. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna keep the box. Should I? It looks nice though, right? Because I want to display my dolls. I don't want them to just like be in the box and not able to touch them and everything. So, okay, sorry guys, this is gonna take a while. Usually I would just rip out the sticker, but today I want to be a bit more proper. The messy makeup and everything. It's literally 10 hours after. Okay, actually you just open this side. Okay. Be careful. Oh my god. Hi guys, sorry I poked myself. It was bleeding like crazy. I can't show, but yeah, I think I got I got the tip off. So yeah, I'm gonna grab whatever that's behind here. What's this? It's the poster! Okay, hold on. Let me show the poster first. Okay. Oh my god! Should I stick it on the wall or something? So cute! Okay, now for the moment of truth. I'm gonna pull her out. I don't know how to do this, guys. I just want to show an unboxing video. I just want to show my dolls collection because I didn't get to document them last year. And yeah. Okay, soon I will do my collection. It's a small collection, but I'm proud of my collection at the moment because I know it's only gonna grow. But yeah, let's grab it out. Ooh, ooh. Okay. Oh, okay, it's just an empty box now. Put it down. The glasses, so cute. Okay. Oh. Okay, I need to be careful with these scissors because I literally just poked myself. This scissors is freaking sharp, by the way. It's sharp. I was bleeding like crazy. It was like poop, and then the blood just spilled out. Okay, let me like. How do you guys do this? Snip. Snip. Ooh, we got the back out. Okay, look at that. I'm gonna take out the hairbrush now. Ooh. Like I said, I don't know how to do this. Look at that. Okay, I'm not gonna remove this because I will not be using them. So I'm just gonna put inside a plastic bag, but there is like a water bottle or like some fancy juice, and then there's a phone with Bratz pad. That's Bratz pad, right? And then there's a necklace, a choker, I guess. I don't know what this is. I think it's a mascara or lipstick. And then there is this compact powder. It's so cute. It's so cute. I'm just gonna keep this one side. Also, one thing about these dolls, they don't come with stand. But it's okay. I'll get a stand for them because I don't know, I just don't want them to fall. Okay, so this is Yasmin up close. Look at her. Look at those bangs. Look at the shoes. It's so pretty. There's holes there on the shoes. Means you can put the stand, but I don't have the stand. It's okay, maybe I can find it on AliExpress or something like that. Also, she has shoulder articulation, elbow, and wrist, and also the hip. That's all. And then you can like snap the knees and everything. I wouldn't snap too much because I don't want to tear that part. Okay, now I'm gonna do the second unboxing. It's gonna be another unsatisfying unboxing. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, I'm gonna put my fingers away from this and away from my face. Slipping off. Okay, again, the poster. Oh. Oh my god. This one is so cute. The color. Pink and blue. Chloe. Look at that artwork. It's so pretty. Always Bratz. Okay, so yeah, without further ado, let's just pull her out of her box. I feel bad. I don't want to throw the box. Same thing. This is the bag. This is the artwork. And see, this thing is so nice. Maybe I should cut. That's almost the same as me keeping the box. Anyway. Okay, I'm just gonna... Oh, there's just so many tapes behind here. I'm just so... I'm very impatient. But I will learn as I go, like what works for me and what does not. So just be patient with me. I hope you guys are okay. Oh my god. I hope you guys are okay with that. I'm so sorry for being messy. I know I am. I don't have to explain to anyone why I collect dolls because I'm at that point where I don't give a damn. Okay, so this is the brush. This is the bag. It's cute. Okay. Sunglasses. So cute. And this is the accessories. There's a phone, necklace, eyeshadow palette, hair clips. I still don't know what this is. I think it's a lipstick, mascara, and perfume bottle. It's so cute, look. Oh my god, my face at the back. Okay, now Chloe. Wait, is she still? She's still stuck. There's more tape. Okay. What's happening? Oh. Okay, let it go. Oh my god. I swear. Why? She's finally out. That took forever. So this is Chloe's face. The back. So cute. Look at that face. She's so gorgeous. Oh my god. And then her outfit. I just find these things super cute. And then I don't know what this thing is called, a leg warmer. But her heels, this is one of the reasons why I'm obsessed with her. Just look at it. I'm so happy. I'm literally so happy. She can twist. She can lean her head to the left, to the right. Wait, to the left, to the right, to the back, to the front. No. Oh. Hold on. Let me see if they... Oh! Oh! They can't look up and look down. Is it normal? I don't know. You guys tell me. But left and right, yes. Okay, stick to it. I'm not... Again, I don't care. I just want to appreciate how beautiful they are. Look at that hair tie. Yasmin and Cloe, they're so gorgeous. I love their shoes so much. And Chloe's shoes are slightly higher, if you can see. They're slightly higher and thicker than Yasmin. It's just the normal Bratz feet. Oh wait, I actually saw someone selling this on AliExpress. I was like, okay. I think it's those defect items, but yeah, so cute. So that's it for today. There's nothing else I want to show you guys, just these two. And thank you so much for tuning in. If you guys like this video, do subscribe. And if you want to see more, do subscribe, like, and comment. And also, I haven't been on YouTube for a while. If you can scroll through my videos, a bit rusty at this right now. So thank you so much, and do follow my social media.